I'm playing Beast Swamp Simulator. Now, I should have been uploading on this game way earlier, but I didn't record back then, and when I started this game, I started recording way more than this. Anyway, no, I can't speak. Anyways, I'm gonna play some Beast Swamp. Oh wait, Beast Swamp Simulator. Also, the King Beetle may be ready for me. Go kill the King Beetle real quick. Okay. Yep, he's ready for me. So I'm in a private server right now because I don't like people. Because I really don't like people taking my stuff, like spots and stuff. And also, the Episoide is just great for grinding. Let's see, how many moon charms? You only got 10. Back to black bears, fun, and sunflowers. Basically, every quest I'm doing right now is Star Journey. This one isn't terrible, and I'm almost done with Colosso. I don't know how to pronounce it. Almost done with this. Just the giant ants is really behind. Star Journey 2 is going okay. This is just gonna be the longest part. I only have 2 red bees. I'm mostly a blue bee person, but I'm gonna need some rad bees because that's the only bee that is giving me red boost tokens, and that's it. Goo from red flowers is doing okay. This is just completely insane, but I haven't done this yet. I really need to start working on this. This one's a fun one. The red portal 10 times, because there's no timer on the red portal. Or, like, any portal, basically. There's no timer, just kind of fun. It's kind of like doing a game. The lower field quests take me years to do. Well, Mission for Mushrooms is the longest quest I have to do. Because I don't have that much blue pollen. But, okay, the blue pollen is high because of look at wait, hold on. Yeah, look at the red pollen. It's not that high. Also, I mastered Advantage. I'm just trying to get you guys on a head start where I am at right now. Then we'll just have Goo. Goo is hotshot. It's almost an ace. Can't wait for that to be. And go in the comments and find how I can get Goo conversion. Cause I don't know. Okay. So there's not much going on right now. I'm kind of sad. I don't have the 35B area. And once I try to kill coconut crab, look at my beehive. I have not been focusing on them to level up. I have not been focusing on leveling. I've just been focusing on honey and grinding. I actually had a few bees level up naturally. I usually don't do that. Usually doesn't happen to me. I always have to give them some treats till they naturally level up to 8. No bee is never gonna natural level up to 9. Or 10, or 11, or 12, or 13, or 14, or 15, or 16, or 17, or 18, or 19, or 20. 15 isn't the max anymore, it's 20. I don't know why, I just keep getting really silent all of a sudden. So it's almost done. Honeybee's Honey Hunt, I'm on the fifth quest? Fourth or fifth, I don't know. I haven't been counting, really. And that's our little ringer. Let's go over to here and talk to Buckbear. Never let me down. Ooh, oil. Love that honey. I love how it gives me so much honey. Oh yeah, I am just doing old-fashioned questing now. Questing, because I've done the last quest from Black Bear in the game for right now. So that's good. I have not even earned the star egg yet. Can't wait to earn that. I'll have to keep it in my inventory. So I'll have to keep it in my inventory. I don't want to replace my music bee. I'm always gonna get, because my music bee was my first ever legendary, and also apparently this was my first hive slot. So this is the first bee that's going up to level 10. I think so. I think this was my first bee, the carpenter bee, but the music bee got ahead. So yeah. So this will be my first bee ever to level up to level 10. Yeah. Let's go do the ant challenge. Alright, this is Sunbear's quest. I think I need, like, no, this is Mother Bear's. Yeah, I need 400 tokens from bean bugs. Yay. Okay. Oh, maybe they're not here yet. Oh my god, we're already at round 2. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I'm glitching. The reason I had to do that is because my keyboard. It's my keyboard that keeps doing that. It keeps automatically moving myself. So it's kind of glitchy in games. And it's kind of annoying too. Especially in Gary's mod. I may do a video on Gary's mod. Just have fun. I may do like a video on Gary's mod. You know, just that good old game. Yeah. It's really annoying on Gary's mod because only on Roblox I just have to open this and close it. But on Gary's mod I do that and nothing happens. We came off to a bad start already. I love how you just generate honey. Oh, pee. Pee. Whoa. Alright, this is my third giant ant. I don't feel like scrolling because it gets too intense. Once you start getting close to the diamond ant amulet levels, ooh, it's like 2 lawnmowers going at as fast as the Flash. Oh, the speed. I cannot. No. Yes, round 12. It's kind of annoying that it takes a while for the end challenge. Adida. Pee. Okay. No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No. Okay. Alright. Bananas. Oh. Give me my honey tokens. Ooh, we might actually get this diamond ant amulet. We might actually get this. Ooh, I'm praying that we do. We might actually get this diamond ant amulet. if the pollinating doesn't take so long, then we might actually get this diamond and amulet. Ooh. Oh, okay, it's getting too intense. Oh, I'm stepping on fire. Okay. Okay, the one more is going surprisingly slow. Because the last time I've done the ant challenge, oh, okay, I just died because I didn't notice. Keep in my old, because I love this player movement speed. And I really need player movement speed. My friend, I'm better than him. He has more movement. He had more movement speed than me, but I think I got more than him now. I think so. Oh wait, no, it was loot luck. It was loot luck. I have more loot luck than him by 5%. Yeah. Yeah. I only have more loot. Like, it says on the clover badge I would get, where's the clover badge? It's clover badge. Yes, I would get 30%, but I only got 5, which is kind of annoying. Okay. Conversion amount, I want to get high, but it's really like, I need to earn another master badge from Spirit Bear, which is, I'm getting close to getting a first quest from Spirit Bear. I'm not there yet. I'm about, once I get 2 million more honey, I also aced the badge. Let's go ahead and hatch the sprout, shall we? Also, my moon amulet increases it. I really don't want to change my moon amulet. It gives me so much white pollen. 61% from the pineapple patch. It's so good. Oh wow, this is already at 500,000. Okay. Hatch the sprout. Good to go. Ooh, here we go. Ooh, empty. Level up. Really need pineapple for make a bunch of enzymes. I'm trying to get 1,000 pineapple to make enzymes. Trying to bunch of enzymes. Me and my friend call them esmes, but they're called enzymes. I just realized that they're called enzymes, but we call them esmes for comedy, you can say. See, how much pineapple did we get? 66, that's not that bad. Actually, that's not that bad. Anyways, I'm gonna end it here, guys. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, bye. Bye, bye. Bye. Come on.